Hello po, good afternoon. This is Stephanie po and I'm a student po conducting a hotel inquiry for school purposes lang po sana. And meron po ako mga few questions po about your room accommodation po.
Yes po, ma'am.
Ano po yung po?
Yes po.
Ano po yung mga type of room na available sa hotel niyo po?
We do have deluxe room, premier room, junior suite, and diamond suite po, ma'am.
Okay po, thank you. May I know po the room rates po for each room type?
For now po, our room rate for deluxe room is 4,000 per night with breakfast na po. Good for two. The premier room, 5,000 per night. Junior suite is 6,000 per night. As well, the diamond suite is 9,000 per night.
Okay po. Ano po yung check-in and check-out nyo po na time?
Our standard check-in time is 2 p.m. and our standard check-out time is 12 noon po.
Okay po. And meron po ba kayong policy about your reservation or booking po?
Yes, we require 50% down payment po.
Okay po. Lastly po is, may I also confirm the complete address po and qualification of your hotel po?
Again po?
The complete address po and classification of your hotel po.
Complete address po, ma'am, no?
Yes po, complete address.
Tulip Drive, corner, Walnut Avenue, Epoland, Davao City.
Okay po. Thank you po. Thank you so much po.
Mapagod po, ma'am.
Yes po.
Hello po, good afternoon. This is Stephanie po and I'm a student po kasi na nag-conduct ng hotel inquiry po for a school purposes and meron po sana akong few questions po about your room accommodations.
Okay po, ma'am. Ano po yun, ma'am?
What type of rooms are available in your hotel po?
May I know po ba yung stay dates po?
Po?
Yung stay dates po.
For interview lang po sana po. If pwede po.
Yung available po ng mga rooms
Yes
is
po.
deluxe room and twin rooms po.
Twin rooms po. And may ano po sana yung mga rates for each room type po.
Yung standards po namin is 2,800. Tapos yung family room po namin is 3,600. And yung suite rooms po namin is 4,200 po.
Okay po. Ano po yung mga room inclusions po?
Breakfast lang po siya. Tapos wifi and waters po.
Okay po. And meron po ba kayong reservation and or booking policy po?
Wala naman. Yung policy po is yung standard check-in namin is 2 p.m. Tapos yung standard check-out time namin is 12 noon. And if gusto niyo po early check-in, may fee po tayo na 1,000. And if late check-out, still 1,000 din po.
Okay po. Last po is, ano po yung complete address po for classification of your hotel po?
Bugaknaa Road po, Davao City.
Thank you so much po. Have a nice day po.
Welcome.
Hello po, Ira Hotel po.
Hello, this is Tiffany and I am a student conducting a hotel inquiry for school purposes. May I ask a few questions about your room accommodations?
How many persons?
May I ask po what types of rooms are available in your hotel?
Available in our room po, our room is just an interview or what do you call this?
Ang interview lang po for school purposes.
Okay, ma'am. I can answer your question naman po kasi wala lang pong guest right now. Pero very short question and answer lang po.
Okay po.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay lang po yun.
Sige, ma'am. Our rooms po, standard single room, good for one person. standard double room, good for 2, deluxe double room, and then deluxe room. Standard double room, deluxe double room, and deluxe free room, all good for 2 persons po.
Okay po. May I know the room rates for each room type po? Kahit yung deluxe lang po.
Room rates po from deluxe double room, 2,800 po.
Okay po. Ano po yung mga room inclusion? Meron po bang breakfast, wifi, or other amenities po?
Room inclusions po, for our rooms po, we do have Wi-Fi, and then complete set of toilet is complement we do have. For the breakfast po, additional 300 for the plated breakfast, with access to beverage bar na rin po.
Okay po. Lastly po is may also confirm the complete address and classification of your hotel po.
Our hotel is located at Ermita, El Guerrero Ermita, Manila City.
Okay po. Thank you po. Have a nice day.